Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify retirement contributions with Fidelity 401k data. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your retirement contributions with Fidelity 401k data, start by logging. Enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top menu. Select Retirement Accounts from the drop-down options. Find your 401k account from the list of retirement accounts displayed. Click on your 401k account to open its details. In the Account Details, locate the Transactions section. Click on Transactions to view your recent contributions and withdrawals. To filter by contributions, select the option that allows you to view only contribution transactions. Review the list of contributions made to your 401k over the desired time frame. If needed, use the calendar feature to adjust the date range for a more specific review. For detailed information on each contribution, click on the individual transaction entry. This will provide you with additional details, such as the contribution amount and date. You can also download a transaction history report for a comprehensive overview. Look for an export or download button, typically located above the transactions. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or Excel, for easy access. Once the file has downloaded, open it to verify and review all contributions. Cross-reference these figures with your pay stubs or employer statements for accuracy. If you notice any discrepancies, reach out to your employer's HR department or Fidelity support. Following these steps will help ensure accurate tracking of your retirement contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.